A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Isha Bharadwaj, on behalf of Department of Management Studies, welcomes Director DLBIM, Dr. Mukul Gupta Sir, Dean MBA, Dr. Deepa Gupta Ma'am, Head of the Department, Dr. Rohit Kaushik Sir, faculty fraternity, and all the participants in the virtual certificate distribution ceremony of Capacity Building Program on Basics of Research and Techniques. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for successfully completing 1 week capacity building program. For this capacity building program, we have received more than 2,000 registrations. Out of those, we have selected 500 participants based upon their interest and enthusiasm for this capacity building program. On behalf of entire department, would like to thank all the speakers for providing their valuable time and inputs, and you all for being so regular and punctual in your Google Classroom and uploading your assignments on regular basis. I would like to inform you that we have more than 1,000 views on regular basis in our YouTube channel for this capacity building program. Before starting the ceremony, let's worship the epitome of knowledge and education, Goddess Saraswati, and let her shower her blessings on us.
Om Shri Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha.
Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am, for initiating the formal process of certificate distribution ceremony. Now, I request Director Sir to share his kind words with us. Sir, please.
Thank you, Isha. A very warm good afternoon to the galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, professors, participants from different prestigious colleges from the country and abroad, and ladies and gentlemen. A very happy Teachers' Day. It's a matter of immense pleasure to be here this afternoon before you. On behalf of Department of Management Studies, GL Bajaj Educational Institutions, we are delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you in the valedictory session of the 1 week capacity building program on basics of research methods and techniques organized by Department of Management Studies, Greater Noida. I hope you all have enjoyed capacity building program sessions. I also hope that you have decided to make your efforts to improve your credentials into the area of research. Area selection is important. If you are ready to do hard work, you can make wonders in any area. Research should be your passion. Make research as your passion. Don't do it only to get certificate or a good job or to get some high API scores. Select only one topic. Go on doing it with new technologies forever. As technology changes, don't change your topics. Just modify your ways of doing experiment as per the new technologies. We are our own creators. We ourselves have to do things. Nobody will come and give us some ready-made things and say, okay, please enjoy. We have to do carving in our lives by our own self. Great motivational words written on the entrance of an American university. I know I am something because God doesn't create garbage. With this, I conclude that you are ready to support research task now. Only there is a strong need of generating some innovative ideas. I am sure with the learning generated from this capacity building program, you will do wonders into the area of research. With this, once again, I express my sincere thanks to all the participants for making this capacity building program a huge success. I'm also thankful to the team of Department of Management Studies who have organized it in a unique manner. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Your guidance and support means a lot for us. A personal testimony of the participant is the most important thing that Department of Management Studies have earned from this capacity building program. We have received lots of messages and feedbacks from the participants. Let's go through few of them and cherish the testimony given by our international and national participants.
All the speakers were highly professional, and I was fortunate enough to be the part of this program, as I have learned so many new things that we have to take into consideration while conducting any kind of researches.
I would like to thank GL Bajaj Institute and staff for being light in the darkness. It was one of the most dreaded topics in my life until I came across a free webinar session on this particular training conducted by your institute.
I extend my greeting to you all. These wonderful programs I'm very appreciative because I learned a lot of things that where I am not know it before.
I am very happy to attend the 6 days capacity building training. I would like to thank also the organizers. I will also thank the lecturers, those who were giving us lectures. I'm really happy about them because it's not easy. It's not easy to be online, to have classes online. They really give us a very interesting lesson every time. Research was my problem, but thank God that these 6 days that I have attended, research, data collection and all other things become easy. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank the organizer for conducting such a good program during this global pandemic. The content, the delivery and the support material of this program all are good, and I can proudly say that this is the one of the best webinar I have ever participated in my life. Developed my knowledge on the particular topic.
The content, the lectures were all delivered superbly. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in your next or upcoming webinars.
It was a very well managed, coordinated and informative program. All the resource persons were very knowledgeable. I learned so many new things. The assignments, recordings, study material uploaded on the Google Classroom is going to be very useful to me in future. I really had a great learning experience. All the sessions were so insightful and engaging. I really enjoyed a lot.
All the sessions were excellent and informative for me. Thank you so much.
This capacity building program has helped me a lot to widen my knowledge and to grasp some important points regarding the research work. It has also taught me about various statistical tools and techniques that can be used and be helpful for me for my overall research work or while writing my thesis. Thank you so much, and I would like to attend more such webinars in future. Thank you.
Capacity building workshop organized by GL Bajaj Institute of Management was awesome. I could enhance my knowledge about how to conduct research, not only as a part of academic, but also as a young researcher. Indeed. All sessions were awesome, and please conduct such workshop again and again. Thank you.
It was a very informative, valuable and delightful program about research that was presented with an excellent balance of information, practice and interaction. We learned a lot and cleared many doubts about research from all the eminent and knowledgeable resource persons. The depth and quality of assignments we did together gives me hope for my practice. Genuinely, one of the best workshops I have attended. Thank you all the organizers from GL Bajaj Institute for this really excellent, inspiring and enlightening program. Thank you very much.
As far as workshop is concerned, all resource persons explained very well the topic, whether it is related to the introduction of basic research or the topics containing the plagiarism reports, the research ethics topics, etc. Thank you so much.
Team exclusively had done a great job in delivering the lectures, the PPT presentations. All the speakers were really great delivering the lectures. We started from the basic research methodologies and techniques to publications, copywriting, plagiarism. Everything was excellent. The statistics part was really great. I am really thankful to the organizing team for arranging such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Before starting my PhD, I completed my coursework that was 6 months long, and surprisingly this 6 days also covered each and every topic that has been taught in coursework also. So after completing the coursework, the doubts that were in my mind all got cleared up in this session also. And the best part was the assignment given and took me to the student life again, that I submitted and got the scorecard, and my daughter was very excited about it, that I am a student now again. I am very thankful to the organizers for organizing wonderful session and making this lockdown fruitful.
Everything was going so soothingly and it was so well managed that we could not even, especially I could not even figure out where the problem is. Technical issues were there, but there is very natural, but then too it was sorted out very soon as possible. Related to the text which was shared by the lecturers, the researchers who actually gave the lectures, they were all best. Very well they presented and very well they had managed to teach us with their PPTs. So yes, the work done by all the team members was brilliant, excellent.
I'd like to begin by appreciating the organizers by handpicking the best speakers for each session. Every speaker explained the various concepts of research using simple examples, explanation regarding the SPSS software, and also how we could use Microsoft Excel to perform various tests. All that information was very helpful.
I have learned many ideas and techniques to carry out research through this one-week capacity building program. And I'm sure that the ideas and knowledges I gained from this workshop will surely enhance my knowledge in research, and it will enable me to teach my students in college to pursue research in their career also. So once again, I thank the Department of Management.
I would like to congratulate each and every member who was associated with this capacity building program, because it was structured in a very nice way, and each and every day we were engaged in attending this program, and during the evening time we were I was waiting for the assignments. Seriously, thank you for conducting such a nice program, and being a research scholar, it was a learning experience day by day. Each session was so full of knowledge. So thank you everyone. Thank you for conducting such a nice program.
This really had laid down a basic foundation for me, especially in the case of these sessions like Introduction to Basics, Research Methodology, and a review of literature, research design, sampling, all the important topics that should be included in a research were discussed during this capacity building program. And thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
All the sessions were very informative and excellent resource person have enlightened us. Either it be Dr. Prabha Srivastav Sarji or Dr. Dinesh D. Bhakar sir, Professor H.K. Singh sir from BHU, who has given a very in-depth knowledge about the exploratory as well as the descriptive research design, Dr. Sanjay Mittal sir, Dr. Rohit Sharma sir, and at last I should not forget Dr. Medha Joshi ma'am, who has given every single thing what should we keep in mind for checking out the plagiarism or citations, etc. It was a great experience for me. All the resource persons were highly learned and have taken us to such a great level where all the doubts, minute doubts related to the research problem has been solved. Thank you so much, the organizing staff, the organizing committee of the GL Bajaj Educational Institution. Sir, you have provided each and every detail, either it be through email or WhatsApp or Telegram or even in the Google Classroom. Every detail, every morning, the link has been provided by you, the feedback form has been provided by you, the assignment, every detail regarding the this FDP program, capacity building program, was provided by you.
My overall experience for CBPS training was excellent, as the resource person did their best. Also, the presentation they showed to us was excellent. The content we received was fabulous. And the main thing is that we take this training continuously 7 days, and the training gave us knowledgeable, very, very, very important information that we need at this times of situation. Also, their daily assignments through Classroom, Google Classroom, and the feedback was excellent, that we feel interacted by the training, with the training. Also, we can ask our queries during the training period was very fantastic. The overall feedback from my side was excellent.
It was indeed the best moment for all of us to hear these satisfying words from our participants. We feel proud that we have fulfilled the purpose of organizing this capacity building program. Now, I request Dean Ma'am to enlighten us with her words of wisdom and take the session further. Ma'am, please.
Greetings. I hope that I'm audible to everyone. So very good afternoon, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I know you all are teachers in the real way, that whether you are a research scholar or a faculty or you are a mother, you all are teachers and you all are fulfilling your services, your duties in the best possible way. And I am so thankful to God, the Almighty God, for giving us this courage and wisdom to organize this capacity building program on basics of research and its techniques. And it has been our pleasure to host all the valued resource persons and participants in this 1-week capacity building program. And we especially organized this virtual certificate distribution ceremony on this auspicious day, that is Teachers' Day. I hope that you have already, those who have joined us, they must be enjoying this whole ceremony. And I really appreciate that all the participants during this capacity building program, they were so enthusiastic, they were so responsive, they were so attentive, and they were religiously involved in completion of all the assignments and the duties which they were supposed to perform. And I'm thankful to my committee members. I'm so fortunate that we had some of the eminent resource persons from academia, industry, and the people who are working in the area of research. I'm sure that participants, you have benefited by attending all the 6 days, 12 sessions during these 6 days of this capacity building program. The feedback which we have received, I was personally have checked many videos, because due to the paucity of time, we have included very few videos. But yes, we are going to share all the videos of participants in the Google Classroom itself. I'm thankful to my steering committee members of Department of Management Studies for taking this initiative, for hosting, and for giving all of us an opportunity to hold this innovative and creative online capacity building program for massive amount of participants. We had, right now in the Google Classroom, we have more than 500 participants with us. On our part, we have also made sincere efforts to enhance the quality of this capacity building program and the knowledge and wisdom level of our participants. And in this regard, we have taken some initiatives, like we have organized a Google Classroom for all the participants, in which participants have to complete their regular assignments, which have been uploaded on the daily basis. They have to complete their assignments and the quizzes on the particular time. We have organized now, today you people are witnessing this valedictory session, which is virtual certificate distribution ceremony, which is, in itself is a very novel idea. And we are trying to implement it for our valued participants who have participated in this capacity building program with full discipline. Certificates will be provided to all the participants who have completed all the work assigned to them. And along with that, you must have noticed that we have shared many research related books during these time period. We have shared the PPTs given by the resource persons to all the participants for their future references. We have also shared the session videos, their YouTube links in the Google Classroom itself for your future reference. If any of the participant would like to revise the concept, all such videos are available. You can revise, you can go through with them, and you can make your research really a different one. I hope that you all will experience a very creative virtual certificate distribution right now. I will not take very much time because we have to give certificate to almost 100 participants today. And I congratulate all the participants for their successful completion of the program. And now the flow of the program would be like, I will hand it over the mic to one of my colleagues, and he will announce the names of the participant, and the names will be announced in the alphabetic manner. So dear participants, please be ready. The process will be like that the name which we are going to announce, that person needs to open their camera, their video, they need to switch on their video, and they can open their audio also. And the remaining participants will keep their audios off, they will keep their videos off, so that we can have the individual certificate distribution right away. Over to Nishant.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I just like to congratulate all the participants, and I won't be that hindrance, and I straight away starting up with sharing of the certificates. So I'm just sharing the certificate. So the first participant is A. Adikala Zia. I request to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate. A. Adikala Zia.
I request Director Sir to kindly hand over this certificate to Madam Adalika Jaya.
Adikala Jaya, ma'am.
Adalika Jaya.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Meanwhile, I request Madam Jaya to kindly say a few words.
I extremely express my heartfelt gratitude, ma'am, for your wonderful and excellent organization of this capacity building program, which I was in need of. If I mean to say, it is the need of the hour. For my PhD, I was about to go for data collection. It is really helpful for me, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Excellently. Thank you all the persons who are involved in it, ma'am.
We humbly accept your appreciation, ma'am.
Thank
Nishant,
you, ma'am.
Next participant.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is Mr. Abhay Pratap Singh. I request sir to kindly open up the camera, and yes.
Abhay sir, if you are not there, Nishant, can we go with the next name?
Definitely, ma'am. So next we have Miss Abhilasha Tiwari. I request to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate and for the photograph. Abhilasha Tiwari, ma'am. Do we have Abhilasha Tiwari, ma'am?
She is not present, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Mr. Abhishek Singh, I request sir to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate. Mr. Abhishek Singh.
He is also not present, sir.
Aditi Ashish Damle, ma'am. Aditi Ashish Damle, ma'am. kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate.
Yes, Aditi ma'am is present.
Yes. I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
I request Director Sir to kindly hand over the certificate to her.
Congratulations, Ms. Aditi.
Thank you.
Adiriza Raha.
Miss Adrija Raha.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Kindly open your camera, madam.
Yeah, I have opened my camera. Can you see my video?
Yeah. Now you're visible, ma'am. Kindly accept the certificate. I request Director Sir to kindly hand over the
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to the organizers for giving me the opportunity to attend the seminar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ms. Akansha Agrahari. Ms. Akansha Agrahari.
Hello.
Kindly-
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Congratulations,
You
ma'am.
are audible. Kindly open up your camera for the photograph and kindly for the
Sir, actually, my camera was not open.
It's okay, ma'am. It's
Sorry,
okay.
sorry. Thank you so much, sir. It's a very excellent and wonderful capacity building program. Thank you to all organizing committee of capacity building program. Thanks a lot, giving me an opportunity. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Ake Gabriel Igbe. I request Ake sir to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate.
See, participants, we are going through alphabetically order. So kindly keep in your mind, if you are from alphabet A, your turn is about to come. If your name starts from alphabet B, then your turn is about to come. So please be ready. Ms. Adrija is asking, yes, everybody will get their certificate via Google Classroom. We are going to share the whole file, all the certificates, so you can download your certificate immediately in the evening.
Okay, I'll proceed
So
further.
Mr. Akhe is not there. Next.
Ma'am, he's there. The camera
There,
is
ma'am.
open. Yes,
He's
ma'am.
there,
Yes, he's there.
yeah. Okay, he's there.
Okay, sir.
Akhe Gabriel sir is on mute, I guess, and he's speaking
Mr.
something,
Akhe,
but he's on
kindly
mute.
open
Yes, ma'am.
your camera and unmute yourself.
The camera is open, ma'am, but he is on mute. Yes,
Mr.
now.
Akhe, kindly unmute yourself so that we can hear some feedback from you.
Sir, you are not audible.
Okay. So Nishant, go to next participant.
So I request Alamgir Sani to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate. And I request Director Sir to kindly hand over the certificate also. Ms. Alamgir Sani.
He is absent, sir. He is not
Okay,
present.
Ms. Ambika Rani Yadav, ma'am. Is ma'am available? Kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Ms. Ambika Rani Yadav, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ms. Ambika.
For conducting such a informative program. So actually, it was really good and very helpful for me. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Anamika Nahar. Anamika Nahar, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sir, kindly give away the certificate, sir.
Congratulations, Ms. Nahar.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for organizing this kind of FDP.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope that you learn a lot, Ms. Anamika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great.
Ms. Achal Garg. I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera.
Sir, she is absent, sir.
Anoma Modak. It's Anoma Modak, ma'am. Kindly open up the camera too.
Absent, sir.
Mr. Anshu Raj. Anshu Raj.
Absent, sir.
Arvind Rajke.
Not present, sir.
Ashwini Kumari M. Patil. Ashwini Kumari M. Patil.
Nishant, next.
Next, sir.
Ms. Atar Zahan. Atar Zahan.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
I
you, sir,
request-
for this certificate.
Congratulations, Ms. Jahan.
Thank you, sir.
Bala Sendil Kumar Z. Bala Sendil Kumar Z.
Not present, sir.
Balaji R. I request Mr. Balaji R to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificates, please. Is he available, ma'am?
No, sir.
Bhairav Chandra Patra. I request Mr. Bhairav Chandra Patra Ji to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate, please.
He is also not present, sir.
Bhakar Mamta Kumari Murari Lal. Madam Mamta Kumari Murari Lal.
Not present, sir.
Mr. B.Z. Josh. Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Thank you to the organization for conducting this wonderful session. Thank you.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Bikram Rani. I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Ms. Bikram Rani. Ms. Benita Nanda. Do we have Ms. Benita Nanda with us, ma'am? Yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. I can say this is so far the best program I have ever attended. Thank you so much for organizing.
Thank you so much, Ms. Benita.
Thank you.
C.H. Padmaja. I request C.H. Padmaja to ma'am to kindly open up the camera to and accept the certificate. Ma'am, please.
Yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible and audible both, ma'am.
Yeah, I thank GL Bajaj Institutions for conducting this 6-day program excellently. The way it was coordinated and organized, is so awesome. And we really had a wonderful experience attending this webinar. Even the novel way of giving the certificates. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
I hope that you will be glad to see the photographs which we are going to share with you all.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Chaitanya Sangani. Chaitanya Sangani.
Not present, sir. Not present, sir.
Chena Upendra Madhuri. Mr. Kindly accept the certificate, sir. You're not audible, sir.
Mr. Upendra, we cannot hear you.
So kindly unmute yourself.
I think there is some technical issue, so that is why we cannot hear him. No problem, Mr. Upendra. We can click the photograph. We already have your video with us.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Dania Siddiqui.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're
Yes.
audible and visible, ma'am.
Congratulations,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much for the program and also the nice way of giving the certificate also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Dipali, Ms. Dipali Nivuruti Hande.
She is absent, sir.
Ms. Dipali Surana.
She is also not present, sir.
Deepika Kakkar, ma'am.
No, sir.
Devika Gopanji. Ma'am, kindly open and unmute. Open your camera and unmute yourself.
Yeah, are you audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible and visible both, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. Thank you very much. And I am looking forward to participate in the coming, that means future programs that you guys are going to conduct. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All the participants, I request all of you to kindly stay with us because we are going to click the group photographs also within 10 minutes.
Mr. Deedar Singh.
Not
We are-
there, sir.
Deepa Balapal.
Not there, sir.
Deepa Balapal.
Not there, sir. She's not in the meeting.
Dr. Aarti Kanchchandani.
Good afternoon, sir.
I request Reena ma'am to kindly switch off your camera so
Ma'am,
that Dr. Aarti can come.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Reena ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Aarti.
I'm very thankful for this kind of a program, 1 week capacity building, and one of the kind initiative being done by one of the great institute. I am blessed to participate in such kind of programs because this is only first program through which I'm attending virtual certificate distribution. Thank you all the organizers for such an initiative, exceptionally well coordinated program and well time management. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, and all the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Ajay Garg, I request her to kindly open up the camera and the mic, please.
Yes, Dr. Ajay, I saw your message. We are going to share all these certificates in the evening itself. So this time we are handing over this certificate to you virtually.
जी, thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Congratulations, Dr. Garg.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी सर, आ रही है, you're audible, sir.
सर आप एक जगह रुक जाइए, अदरवाइज आपका फोटोग्राफ सही नहीं आएगा।
सर, हाँ मैम रुक रहा हूँ। जी।
Kindly accept the certificate, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all organization. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा ये वाली जो आपकी वर्कशॉप थी और बड़ा अच्छा लोगों ने कोऑपरेट करा। एक दो डिफिकल्टी हुई तो फोन उनको करा, उन्होंने बड़ा कोऑपरेट करा। और आगे कभी भी बजाज ग्रुप कोई वर्कशॉप या वेबिनार या किसी भी तरह का कोई वो करेगा तो मैं जरूर उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा।
Okay. Thank you so much. Nishan, next.
Thank you so much. Dr. Girija Kandanwa.
Dr. Girija.
Ma'am is available. I request ma'am, kindly accept the certificate, ma'am. You're visible. Yes, ma'am. You can speak.
I think some
technical
problem is there. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
Dr. Ishfaq Abidin, I request to kindly open up the camera and kindly accept the certificate, and I request director sir to kindly hand over the certificate also.
I thank all the organizers, the whole team for giving all of us the opportunity to participate in this program. It was really a nice program, well coordinated, well conducted, excellently held. I hope that you will also take us in loop in future programs. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, Dr. Kaushiki Singh, ma'am, kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Yeah, am I visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible and audible.
Dr. Singh. Okay. Yeah, first of all, happy Teachers' Day to all of you, the director, sir, the dean, ma'am, and all the organizer. I feel very proud today to receive this certificate. Though, sir, during this last 2 months in the pandemic period, I have done more than 15 FDP workshop, short-term course, capacity building program. But this function of validatory session being conducted by your institution is awesome. I have not attended a single in any platform like this. I have never received any certificate. So first of all, and from the bottom of my heart, I would like to congratulate all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
And we humbly accept your appreciation, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Naren Kumar Verma, I request her to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Dr. Naren Kumar Verma.
He's not present, sir. He's not there, sir.
Dr. Neha Sharma, I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera to accept it. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible and visible, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you to all the organizer and facilitators who have conducted such a wonderful capacity building program. It was really very enlightening, and looking forward for more like workshops or FDP which you will conduct. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Prashansha Khadikar. Sir, kindly.
Yeah, Dr.
Hello.
Prasanna.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very
Good afternoon, sir.
Congratulations, Dr. Prasanna.
At the outset, I want to congratulate you on this conducting excellent workshop, which revises my knowledge. Already, I am in the research field for the past 12 years, publishing so many papers. But the basics which they have put in this particular webinar, this workshop, it was excellent. Particularly, I liked very much regarding H.K. Singh sir speech because I know him very well, and others also very good. Citations and everything was excellent. So I congratulate Savendu Tiwari sir and his team for organizing such a excellent FDP. So again, one more thing I want to say, happy Teachers Day to all of you, and it is an excellent day you have selected, the Teachers Day, to felicitate and also give the certificate to the participants. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prasanna. Happy Teachers Day to you all also.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Priya Soni ma'am. Dr. Priya Soni ma'am to kindly open up the.
She's not here, sir.
Dr. Reena Prasad.
Excuse me, sir. It's not a Priya Soni, it's Pinky Soni.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
printing mistake is this.
This might be possible, Pinky, that we might have someone, Dr. Priya Soni also. But
Okay,
if
okay.
if there is a mistake, then definitely we will rectify. Don't worry.
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am.
Dr. Reena Prasad. Dr. Reena Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Yes.
visible now. You are visible now.
Okay.
Kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful FDP program. I'm looking forward to join such programs in future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Shahib Gowda Shivapa to kindly accept this certificate. Next, we have this. Sir, Dr. Sahib, sir, I request you to kindly open up the camera to accept this particular certificate, sir.
Hello.
Reena ma'am, kindly switch off your camera.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, kindly open up your camera, sir. I request you, sir, please.
Sir, okay. Is not working properly. Network issues.
No
Okay, I
problem.
think there is a technical issue.
Next, Nishant.
We are moving to the next, sir. Dr. Samina M. Awasri.
She's not there, sir.
Dr. Shahul,
Hello, sir.
please open
Dr.
your...
Shahul Hamid Pakir.
Dr.
Sir, my voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm very thankful to GL Education Institution. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm working in the University of Tabuk. Really, I'm very thankful to the institution. It was very well organized, and the way they conducted the workshop is very nice. Especially the assignments every day we have, they give a very good task, and really we enjoy it. And thank you so much. And we will like to participate in future also. And happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Dean ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Shubhashri Das. Dr. Shubhashri Das, I request you to kindly open up the camera and unmute yourself to accept the certificate.
He is not present, sir.
Dr. Sudeep Solanki, sir, I request you to kindly open up your camera and unmute yourself to accept the certificate.
He is also not there, sir.
I request Dr. Thir Murari Selvi Chand Raju to kindly open up the camera and accept the certificate, sir.
He is also not present, sir.
Dr. Vijay Singh Meena. Dr. Vijay Singh Meena, I request you to kindly open up this camera and unmute yourself to accept this particular certificate, sir. Dr. Vijay Singh Meena. Dr. A. Devendran. Dr. A. Devendran, I request you to kindly open up the camera and the mic to accept the certificate.
Nishant, next. Because there are some faculty members who are waiting for their turn.
Dr. Aditi Pramod Khod. Dr. Aditi Pramod.
I am Devendran, sir. Dr. Devendran. I am unmute my audio and video.
All right, Mr. Devendran, please
Right.
open it.
Yes, sir. Kindly accept the certificate, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Mukul Gupta, sir. And thank you, Dr. Deepa Gupta, ma'am. So really, I improved my capacity in research and techniques. Thank you. I accept my certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Aditi Pramod. Dr. Aditi Pramod.
She is not present, sir.
Dr. Alok Goel. I request Dr. Alok Goel to kindly open up the camera and the mic to accept the certificate.
Not present, sir.
Dr. Archana Jain. I request ma'am to kindly open up the mic and camera. I request ma'am, if ma'am you're present, kindly open up the camera. Dr. Bhavna Rajput. I request Dr. Bhavna Rajput to kindly open up the camera and the mic to accept the certificate.
She is also not present, sir.
Dr. Debrat Das.
Opening my Dr. Archana Jain, my camera is not opening.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Next, we will take your certificate, ma'am. Sir, kindly accept the certificate, sir.
The video, please.
Archana, ma'am, just hold on. We'll take your certificate to the next. Next will be you, ma'am. Just hold on, ma'am. Archana, ma'am, kindly off the camera right now. Thank you, ma'am. Sir,
Hello.
Okay. Yes, sir. You are audible and visible both, sir.
Yeah, myself Devabroto Das. I am from West Bengal, particularly from Government General Degree College, Lalgod, Jhargram. Very interesting program it was. That is 1 week capacity building program. We learned many more, and we will apply this in the classroom for our students. Because in the CBCS UG syllabus, they include in CBCS system research methods and techniques. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, organizer, for such kind of very interesting program. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I request Archana ma'am to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, Archana ma'am. You are with us since the starting of this program. Thank you so much for waiting so long.
I am the only from veterinary faculty who joined the program and continuously watching it.
Oh, really? I'm so grateful to you.
Thank you very much for thank you.
Yeah, that is why I was just requesting you to wait for a few more minutes, because I know there is a list. Kindly accept our appreciation. Kindly accept your certificate, which you actually earned. You all participants have worked so hard, 2 assignments per day. It's not easy. So you people really earned this certificate.
I'm professor and head. Actually, I'm professor and head, so I have number of administrative jobs also.
I know.
Yeah. Thank you.
I can empathize with you, madam. Thank you so much for being part of our program.
As learning is a never-ending process, I am very much interested to do at each and every program, whichever is there. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, how many participants we are left with us? How many certificates?
I'll just get the update from the ma'am.
Okay. So next turn is Deepak sir.
The Deepak sir, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible and visible.
First of all, I would like to thank all the organizers for organizing such event. It was a great event to me because throughout the journey and throughout the 6 days, I have learned a lot of things. Almost all the research aspects that has been covered during the session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Deepa Gupta, ma'am, for arranging such session. And I hope that in next future also, if you arrange such program, we will get the same opportunity to
surely, sir. Surely.
Yeah.
Now you all are part of our family, and we'll keep on updating you. We were planning to organize the series 2 in this month of September, but due to the final year examinations, we have postponed it. The moment we'll organize, surely we'll inform you on timely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, we are left with more 50 plus.
How many certificates?
This was the 58th one, so we are left with approximately 50 plus more.
Okay, so now we will just speed up the ceremony.
Definitely, ma'am. I request her to kindly off the camera, please. Dr. Kasturi Bora, ma'am. Dr. Kasturi Bora, ma'am, are you there? Kindly, if available, kindly open up your camera and mic, please.
She is not available, sir.
Dear
Dr.
participants,
Khushbu?
Nishan, just a minute, I'm just interrupting in between because we have another meeting scheduled for the next bunch of participants. So what process we are going to adopt is, we are going to announce the name of participant twice. If the participant will not arrive, then we'll move to the next participant.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, in the chat box, I can see there are a few participants like Madam Martina is there. And one more participant is this who's waiting, Dr. Rashmi Singh. Dear participants, we are left with 50 more certificates, so kindly wait. Your turn will definitely come, but you need to be quickly ready with your camera and your audio.
Okay, I request Dr. Khushbu ma'am to kindly open up the camera if available. Hiten sir, I will request you to kindly off the camera. As soon as call your name, kindly open it. Thank you, sir.
Khushbu ma'am is not present.
Dr. Neeta Shah. Dr. Neeta Shah. Ma'am, if available,
Yes,
kindly
sir.
please. Yes.
Yes, sir, I am here. Thank you very much for organizing such a good and informative session because I am at age of 57 and I learned a lot after completed my PhD long back. So thank you very much, organizers, and please inform us for further program. Thank you.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Niharika. Dr. Niharika. Padhi. Dr. Niharika. Dr. Nikhilesh. Dr. Nikhilesh R. Next today.
He is not present, sir.
Dr. Pampi Ghosh. Dr. Pampi Ghosh. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am here.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly
Thanks
accept.
to the managing committee total, and I am really thanks to you for doing such a virtual certificate giving ceremony on the 5th September, especially Teachers' Day. Thanks to all, and I am really happy to be engaged for all the 6 days to do all the assignments and reading. Thanks you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Pinky Sagolsam. Dr. Pinky.
She is not present, sir.
Dr. Pinky Soni, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
First of all, good afternoon to all and happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much to the whole team of the GL Bajaj Education Institutions for organizing such a great and wonderful program, capacity building. I'm really glad to being a part of this program, and it is really appreciable of distributing the certificate idea. I feel like the presence over there. Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Preeti Khatri, ma'am. Dr. Preeti Khatri, ma'am, to kindly open up the camera. Okay. Next is Dr. Prithvi Raj Mohapatra. Dr. Prithvi Raj Mohapatra.
Not present, sir.
Dr. Rajesh Subhas Chalikwar.
Yes, सुन सक रहे हो sir?
हाँ sir. Sir, you are audible, but I request you to kindly, if possible, open up the camera, sir, to accept the certificate.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Kindly accept the certificate, sir. No. Okay,
Camera is not open, sir.
Yes. Sir, you are visible and audible both, sir.
Yes.
No. Now you are
Okay.
not visible, sir.
Firstly, I am congratulate the organizers for conducting such a wonderful FDP program. Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, you need to unmute yourself, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. I have unmuted myself. So dear participants, now we will not take your feedback because the next meeting, the participants of next meeting are waiting. So we'll just speed up the process. Mr. Rajesh has taken their certificate. Nishan, kindly.
Ranjit Kumar Pandey, Dr. Ranjit Kumar Pandey, sir. Dr. Ranjit Kumar Pandey, sir.
Not present, sir.
Next.
Dr. Rashmi Singh.
Rashmi Singh was there. I
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
her message.
Yes, ma'am.
Dr.
Kindly
Rashmi,
accept.
shift your camera a little bit because your face is not coming.
Your face is not coming, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now you're visible, ma'am. Thank you so much,
Yes.
ma'am. Kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much. Thank you so much.
I hope now you are happy, Dr. Rashmi.
Yeah, sure. I'm waiting for long from two, and I have not moved here and there so that I do not miss it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right.
Dr. Reema
Next.
Mishra, ma'am. Dr. Reema Mishra, ma'am. I
Yes,
request ma'am to
I'm
kindly.
available. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for arranging such an informative program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Sakshi Motwani, if ma'am, I request you to kindly open up the camera and the mic, please, if you're available. Dr. Sakshi Motwani.
She is not present, sir.
Okay. Dr. Sanjay Kumar Bhogta. Sir, kindly accept the certificate, sir. So we request you.
Thanks for the certificate, sir. And if GL Bajaj Institute conduct regarding the research program in further future, kindly inform via email.
Surely, sir, surely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dr. Sarita Agrawal, I request Dr. Sarita Agrawal, ma'am, to kindly open up the camera.
She is not present, sir.
Dr. Shailesh Mishra, I request Dr. Shailesh Mishra to kindly. Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible and visible. Kindly accept it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Shweta Kumari. Dr. Shweta Kumari, ma'am, if you're available, kindly immediately open.
She is not present, sir.
Okay. Vara Lakshmi Dandu, I request Dr. Vara Lakshmi Dandu to kindly accept this particular certificate to open up by opening up the
No,
camera and the mic.
not present, sir. Not present, sir.
Dr. Vivek, do we have Dr. Vivek with us? I request her to kindly open up the camera and mic to accept the certificate.
Nishan, next.
Dr. A. Martina.
Yes, sir.
Dr. A. Martina.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful session as well as for the valedictory section, ma'am. I don't want to
Yeah,
take up
Dr.
your time.
Martina, I saw your video. That was wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Okay. Okay. Dr. Bhavesh Kumar. Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Jiva Bhai Parmar. I think sir was
Not
available with
present,
us. Dr. K. Shiresha. Dr. Kumar P. I request Dr. Kumar P to kindly open up the
Next.
camera.
Achha, Dr. Kumar is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you so much.
Next.
Dr. Om Prakash Pawar. I request Dr. Om Prakash Pawar sir to kindly open
Not
up the
present,
camera.
sir.
Dr. Ranjana Patel. I request Dr. Ranjana Patel to kindly open up the camera. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Ranjana is very ready. Anna. She is sitting in the right position for the photograph. Very good. I
Yes,
like this
yes.
spirit.
Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot,
much,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you so
thanks
much.
for the program.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. S.K. Ramani. I request Dr. A.K. Ramani to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
Not present, sir.
Okay. Dr. Shefali Pradhan.
Hello, sir. Present, ma'am. I am present, sir.
What's your name,
Hello.
ma'am? You are
Dr. Sefali Pradhan.
okay, ma'am. Okay. Kindly accept the certificate, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Shailesh Pandey. I request her to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Dr. Shailesh Pandey.
Shush, not present, sir.
Okay, ma'am, I request you to kindly off your camera, please. Dr. Triveni Kale, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. You've been very prompt. Thank you. Kindly
Yes, thank
accept the
you.
certificate. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Kindly
sir.
accept the certificate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Dr. Vivek. Dulala Hazarika.
Dulal Hazarika.
Dulal Hazarika.
Not present, sir.
Durga Jayant Bhakne. Durga
Yes,
Jayant
sir.
Bhakne. Yes, ma'am. Kindly open up the camera and accept it, ma'am.
Yeah, madam is there.
Yes, ma'am. Is there, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly accept it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Farah Yasmin Roman. Do we have Farah Yasmin Roman, ma'am, to kindly immediately open up the camera to
No,
accept?
she is not there. Next.
Okay. Fauzia Maram.
Not present, sir.
Okay. G. Giriranjan Sai Nivedita. Yes, ma'am.
sir. Yes, sir.
Niranjana. G. Niranjana Sai.
G.
Yes.
Niranjana Sai. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly
Thank
accept
you.
it.
Thank you.
GVV Rajkishore. I request Mr. GVV Rajkishore to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate, please.
Not present, sir.
Mr. Ganesh Shri Rang Nale.
Not present. Not present, sir.
Hemanti Bhattacharya. Hemanti Bhattacharya.
Next.
Harshita Bhatia. Do we have Harshita? Yeah, Hemanti Bhattacharya. Yes, ma'am. Kindly open up the camera to accept it.
I can see Hemanti Bhattacharya.
Yes, ma'am. Hemanti Bhattacharya, ma'am, is there, but like her camera is not open.
I think some technical issues there.
Okay.
No
Thank you,
problem.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Harshita Bhatia, ma'am, kindly open up. Not present. Hitendra Bargal. Hitendra, sir, kindly open up the camera to accept.
Hitendra sir is there.
Sir is there, sir. I knew it. Sir, kindly, very humbly.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much, sir. Ilakshi Singh. I request Ilakshi Singh to kindly open up the camera to accept it. Ilakshi Singh.
Not present, sir.
Ishita Chugi. Ishita Chug. Ishita. Ishpreet for Sani. Ma'am, kindly, yes, ma'am, kindly accept the.
Ishpreet is there.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, ma'am. It was a great pleasure to be a part of it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you.
so
Thank you. Ms. Ishu Chadda. Ishu Chadda.
Not present, sir.
Jashashya Raut. Raut.
Not present, sir.
Zuran Zoe Rayang.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Kindly open up the camera to accept it, sir. Please, we request you to kindly open up the camera and mic, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you're visible, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Kindly accept the certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you. K. Venugopal. I request Mr. K. Venugopal to kindly open up the camera to accept it.
Not present, sir.
K. Sridhar. I request Mr. K. Sridhar to kindly open up the camera to accept it.
I think K. Sridhara is not present. Can we go for the next?
Kajal Jha.
Not.
Kajal Sharma.
Next.
Kanchan Tripathi. Ms. Kanchan Tripathi, ma'am, kindly, if available, kindly open up the camera, please. Yes, ma'am is there. Yes, ma'am, kindly accept this particular certificate, ma'am, and thank you so much for the part of this particular CPT program.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Karan Bhalla. Mr. Karan Bhalla.
Not present, sir.
Kushma.
Not present,
Kusuma. Okay. Lisa Shur. Miss Lisa.
Next.
M.R. Ramesh. Mr. M.R. Ramesh.
Not
So if you're available, okay. M. Sudha. If available, okay. Mahadev Bera.
Not present.
Mr. Okay. Mahendra Paudal. Malvika Bodhi Reddy.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am. Kindly.
Thank you, sir, for this certificate.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I request the participants, आप में से कोई भी रह गया हो, if anybody is left by receiving the certificate, kindly let us know, and you can update us on the Google Classroom. At last, before closing this whole virtual certificate distribution ceremony, I request all the participants to kindly open their videos so that we can take a group photograph. I request Nishant to kindly stop sharing his screen. I would like to take a group photograph. Request Dr. Gautam and Dr. Tiwari to take the group photograph of all the participants and the capacity building team. Thank you so much, participants, for being so disciplined and sincere students of Google Classroom. It's being nostalgic to become the students once again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
virtual certificate distribution ceremony, and I request all the participants to be ready to sit in a position because we are going to start distributing certificates to the individual participants. So names will be announced. Most probably we will be announcing the names in the alphabetical order. So please be ready. And during the certificate distribution, we will be providing you 20 to 30 seconds to share your experience once again in front of all of us. Now over to Nishan. Kindly proceed with virtual certificate distribution ceremony.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm just sharing the certificates. While just I'll be calling up the name, I request the participants to kindly open up their cameras and mic, and I request them to be kindly ready. So the first participant we have in this particular group B is Ms. Mamta Sharma, ma'am. I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera. Do we have Mamta ma'am with us? Okay, no. So Mr. Manam Vamsi Krishna, I request kindly open up the camera. And see, we are requesting it so that you can virtually accept the certificates, because the team and the is going to click the photographs and we are going to upload the same on the Google Classroom. So that's the agenda, and that's why you are requested the other participant not to open up their cameras and mic in between. Thank you. Sir, kindly accept it, sir.
Sir, this is Manam Vamsi Krishna, sir.
Yes, sir.
We request Director sir also to kindly
open up the camera.
Yes, sir.
Open, sir.
Because sir will give away the certificates. Mr. Vamsi, would you like to say something?
Kalpana ma'am, kindly off your camera, please. I request the director, sir, to kindly.
Hello, please. Can you send the link back to the Google Classroom? I need it. I want to.
Okay, ma'am, can we proceed further?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Kindly accept it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, we have Manas Kumar Mondal. I request Mr. Manas Kumar Mondal to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Yes, sir.
I heartily accept this certificate. I am really happy. This type of certificate is
yes, Mr.
really,
Manal, you actually earned this certificate. You worked literally hard. You completed all the assignments. So this is a small gesture of appreciation from our side.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Mr.
ma'am, and sir also.
Mr. Manohar Gulayat. I request.
Yes, Nishan, please continue.
Yeah, yes, I request the participants to kindly stop doing this particular annotations. So because that's sometimes a memorable moment for the other participants. They are going to enjoy this particular, and it is going to come in the photographs. So I expect this from the participants, a kind cooperation. Mr. Manohar, okay. Mr. Manoj Kumar Behera. Mr. Manoj Kumar.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Bahera is not there. Next. Madam Salma, kindly switch off your video.
Muhammad Baharul Islam. Muhammad Baharul Islam. If available, kindly open up your camera, please, to accept the certificate.
No, he's not there. Next. Achha, Baharul is there. Yeah, he's there.
Kindly accept this particular certificate, sir. So kindly unmute yourself so that you're audible. Mohammad Barul, kindly.
Yeah.
Yes.
First of all, I'd like to thank the organizer for arranging such a wonderful program, and we have learned a lot. And I'm expecting that many more programs will come from your end, and we'll be enlightened by your knowledge sharing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Mohammad Jiaul Haq. I request Mohammad Jiaul Haq to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate, please.
He's not here, sir.
Okay. Milan Kumar Jana. Mr. Milan Kumar. If available, kindly open up the camera, please.
Yes.
Sir, kindly open up the camera, please. to accept the certificate. Yes.
Yes, sir, I accept it. Thank you,
your-
GL Bajaj Educational Institute.
Okay, sir.
Milan
Sir,
ji, open your video.
Yes, sir.
Video, sir. Video open kariye, sir, please. Kindly open up the video, please. Yes, sir. Now you're visible, sir.
Yeah,
Kindly
I have
accept
opened
the
it.
certificate.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Mr.
accept
Milan,
it and
I
thank
do
you.
remember I
GL
saw your
Bajaj.
video. I saw your feedback video. That was very good.
Thank you, Dr. Dipti Gupta, madam. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now next we have Miss Nagamama Lokapa Hosamani Hosamani.
She is not present here, sir.
Okay. Mohammad Fazal. I request Mohammad Fazal to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Mohammad Fazal, if available, please.
He's not available, sir.
Mohan Kumar M. I request the participants to kindly check their mics are not open.
Mohan Kumar M, sir, is not present.
Mohan Lal Saini. Next we have Mr. Mohan Lal Saini. Sir, if available, kindly open up your camera immediately, sir, to accept the certificate. Okay, Mohammad Junaid Ansari. I request Mohammad Junaid Ansari, sir, to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Mohammad Junaid Ansari, sir.
He's present but not opening his camera, sir.
Okay, next. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it. Okay, so next we have Mohammad Nawed Pasha.
Not available, sir.
Okay, Mohammad Ajit Yuvraj Mokal. Sir, Mr. Ajit, sir, if you are available, kindly open up your camera, please.
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, sir. Kindly open up your camera, please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Kindly accept the certificate.
Yes, thank you so much for this certificate, and also thank you so much all the professors and the Bajaj Institute. I'm really, I've learned a lot from this 6 days course, and really accept this certificate.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Majid. I request all the participants to please remain in the meeting because in the end of certificate distribution ceremony, we are going to take the group photograph.
I request Mr. Harish Chandra Anand Ram to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Mr. Shyam Kumar Shah. I request Mr. Shyam Kumar Shah to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Meanwhile, I request the participants to kindly mute themselves because it's creating a lot of hindrance. Thank you. Thank you so much for the cooperation extended.
Answer is present but not opening his camera.
Mr. Shyam Kumar Shah, sir. Sir, I request you to kindly open your mic and camera, please, so that you can accept it and we can have your photograph, please.
So do we have Mr. Shyam?
Yes, ma'am,
Mr.
we
Shyam?
have. But he is not opening his camera or mic, ma'am.
Okay, so in that case, we can move forward.
Mr. Shuyans Surendra
Mr.
Prasad.
Suyash Surendra
Shuyash,
Prasad.
yes, ma'am. Sorry, Mr. Shuyash Surendra Prasad.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Mr. Tanmay Mandal. Sir, now you can open up your camera. Tanmay Mandal. Sir, kindly accept this
Yes, sir.
certificate.
I'm very much happy. I hadn't started on first time program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Mrs. Kalpana Singh, I request ma'am if available, kindly open up the camera. Yes, ma'am. Kindly accept it, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this certificate, and it was a wonderful experience to be the part of this 6-day session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kalpana madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. P.K. Jayashri, I request Sunita ma'am to kindly off the camera, please. Mrs. P.K. Jayashri ma'am, if available, kindly. Okay. Mrs. Sharmila Jajodia.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Ma'am, I request you to kindly open up your camera. And,
So video is not available, sir. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful program. I
Thank you
learned
so
a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for the certificate, Ajay.
All right.
Mrs. Saujanya D. Mrs. Saujanya D.
Not
If
available,
ma'am-
sir.
Okay. Miss Baisakhi Bhattacharya Charji.
Thank
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Yeah,
ma'am.
we have Madam is there.
Hello, thank you, ma'am. I am accepting my certificate. It's a great honor for me to be part of this 6 days program. Hope you will organize such kind of program further, and I will be there. Thank you, ma'am.
Surely, Madam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't you think it was quite tough? I mean, it was a lot of discipline was there.
No, ma'am. It's like I am in a school and in a classroom. Thank you, ma'am, for organizing such a beautiful
The
program.
intention was very simple. Intention was just to organize a program where people will not only learn the research and its techniques, but they will also learn one way of virtual teaching. So
The
with this-
resource persons are teaching us in such a way that we are in a classroom. Every day we open our Google Classroom and watch our assignments and submit it. It's a great experience, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
Miss Neha Singh.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes,
Just give
ma'am.
me a
Kindly
second.
open. Okay, just.
Yeah, just 1 second. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we can hear you.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful workshop, very well organized. And I think I mentioned that in my feedback video as well. Dr. Deepa, I think, mentioned it when she was asking the participants to send in their videos. So
Yes.
thank you so much. It was fantastic, so well organized, and how apt that you're giving away the certificates today on Teachers' Day. So very well done. Kudos
You
to
very
all.
well deserve this. You know, Madam Neha, you deserve this, and I really appreciate, and I hope that you will empathize with your students now onwards.
I do. I am now going to give them a little more leeway than they had earlier.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Do we have? I request Mustafa Lobe sir to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Sir, are you available?
So yeah, I'm available, but my camera is not working. So I asked for them to send the link back to the Google Classroom so that I can get it and use my mobile phone.
So, Mr. Mustafa, you cannot open your video. Is this a problem from your side, or we have to open it?
No, just send the link again to the Google Classroom. I will use my mobile phone so that we can be able to take it.
Acha, you want that link to be sent once again? Okay, you want
Yes.
to rejoin us.
Yes,
All
yes.
right, we'll do it. You know, our team will do it, Mr. Mustafa. No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Mr. N. Jayamama. Mr. N.
I request our coordinator, Dr. Shivi, kindly send the
Yes,
link
ma'am.
once again to Mr. Mustafa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Dr. Jayamma.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. So today
Happy-
you are celebrating Teachers' Day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. This is our, small gesture which we want to present you on this day.
Thank you, ma'am. It was wonderful, the session which I had attended like this. Thank you so much.
You'll be
Thank you.
glad to know that our team members, our professors, they are taking the pictures, and they are going to share those pictures in the evening in the Google Classroom itself, so that you will keep those memories and you will cherish throughout your life.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Miss Naga Lakshmi B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly open up your camera, please, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second.
Thank you, ma'am. Kindly accept this particular certificate.
Yeah, is I'm audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible and visible both, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And I congratulate the team of GL Bajaj Group of Institutions. It's I feel very happy to be a part of this program. It's wonderful organization, ma'am. And it's a very unique idea of distributing the certificates on virtual mode.
Yes,
Thank you,
madam. As this is the new normal, everything is going virtual. So we thought, why not to, give away the certificates of our participants, because these are the certificates which you actually earn by putting a lot of efforts, preparing the video assignment and total 12 assignment. It's not easy.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate. And I think that you are sitting in your office somewhere in your institute.
Department. Yes, ma'am.
In your department, at the back of you, I can see Swami Vivekananda poster.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good.
Because
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, and I congratulate ma'am. Your program, your organization, everything is in a systematic way. I'm thankful for you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. All credit goes to my team. They work very hard.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Nandini P. Do we have ma'am with us? So I request ma'am to kindly open up the camera to accept it. Ms. Nandini P. Okay. Mr. Nawaz Khan Saudagar. Nawaz Khan Saudagar. Yes, sir. Kindly accept the certificate.
Yeah, I'm available.
Mr. Nawaz, kindly sit straight so that your photograph can come properly.
Yes, sir. Now.
Am I visible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all my colleagues and participants of GL Bajaj. I'm very happy to be getting this certificate virtual mode. But I belongs to a rural college in Karnataka, and we have what we have learned from this workshop. It's very very good experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Nayana Prabhash, if ma'am available, kindly open up the camera, please. Miss Nayana Prabhash.
Yes, sir, she is available, but not opening.
Madam
her camera.
Naina, are you there? We can move forward, Nishal.
Nima Mary KJ. I request Nima Mary KJ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, ma'am,
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. If possible, open up the camera. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You are audible and visible. Kindly accept
Am I
the
visible now?
Yeah, we are audible and you are clearly visible.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, GL Bajaj, for considering me as a participant of this informative workshop. Thank you, Deepa ma'am, and team behind her for conducting such an informative workshop. Thank you so much. I gladly accept the certificate, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Miss Neetu ma'am, I request you to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate, ma'am.
She is not available, sir.
Okay. Miss Neha Ugyal. Miss Neha Ugyal. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly accept the certificate, please.
Neha, madam, अपना camera थोड़ा ठीक कीजिए. You are not fully visible. Yes, now it's all good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you for this certificate. It was a great capacity building program. Thank you.
Thank you. I request Nilima Das ma'am to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Yes, ma'am.
Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am. You are visible and audible.
Thank you. Thank you. For the first time I'm receiving this kind of certificate. I'm very happy.
Even we are also, giving away these virtual certificates very first time. So
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much for being part of this capacity building program.
Mr. Parmanand Nayak.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Pradeep Kaur. Pradeep Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, Madam Pradeep is there.
You kindly accept the certificate now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
So, Madam Pradeep, you must be revising all your research concepts during this CBP program.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Parali Srinivas, yes. Yes, sir, kindly accept the certificate, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you much, sir. I am accepting the certificate, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Parali. Thank you so much.
Parmar Gautam Kumar R. I request Parmar Gautam Kumar, sir, to open up the camera, please.
Apparently, sir, you can switch off your camera so that other participant can join.
Not available, sir. Pramar Gautam Kumar, sir. Is not available.
Ms. Parul Sharma, ma'am, I request you to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
She is also not available, sir.
Fateh
Bahadur.
Fateh Bahadur Gupta. Fateh Bahadur Gupta.
Fateh Bahadur.
Not available, sir.
Piyush Kumar Singh. I request Mr. Piyush Kumar Singh to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificates.
Not available, sir.
Prajeet Ashok Mane. Prajeet Ashok Mane. Available, kindly open up the camera to accept. Yes, sir. Sir, kindly accept.
Prajeet sir is there.
I will accept this certificate, and very nice experience with the GL Bajaj Educational Institute, and I learned a lot of things from this FDB program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
happy
sir, for
teacher.
being part of this learning experience.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Prakhi Jaya Raghulakshmi.
She is not available, sir.
Pranav Bhatt.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Prasannajeet Roy. I request Prasannajeet Roy to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
Not available, sir.
Pratima Bura.
No, sir.
Madam Pratima, if you are available, kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Okay. Ms. Pratima Kaushik, ma'am, if available, kindly open up the camera to accept it. Yes, ma'am. Pratima,
Yes,
ma'am
sir.
is there. Ma'am, kindly accept the certificate.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this certificate. I really appreciate your efforts for distributing such a nice type of certificate you are distributing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Madam Kaushik. Thank you.
Madam Preeti Yadav, ma'am.
Not available, sir.
Prince Singh. I request Pratima, ma'am, to kindly off the camera.
Prince Singh, sir, is not available, sir.
Preeti Rani Raghuvanshi.
Preeti ma'am is also not available, sir.
Priyanka Jaiswal. Is Priyanka Jaiswal available?
Yes, sir, she is available. She is not opening her
Ma'am.
camera. And
Ma'am, I request you to kindly open camera to accept it.
Priyanka, are you there?
Okay.
Okay. Move towards next.
Professor Dr. Brijesh S. Professor Dr. Brijesh.
he is not available, sir.
Professor Supriya Namdev Unwane. Professor Supriya Namdev.
Not available, sir.
Professor Sangeeta M. Professor Sangeeta M. If available, ma'am, I request you to kindly. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is there.
Sangeeta
Yes.
ma'am is there.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Sangeeta ma'am is driving. She's attending the ceremony in the car itself.
Yeah,
You must be visiting some place.
Yes, Shiradi. I'm in Shiradi, ma'am.
Oh, what a pleasant information on this Teachers' Day. Kindly convey our regards to Baba
Yes,
from
madam.
all of us. May
Yes.
Baba bless all of us.
Yes, madam. And thank you
Or-
so much. It was very good learning experience for us, and we are requesting you to conduct frequent training sessions.
I really appreciate your spirit. I mean, being in the car, being in the journey, you are attending the certificate distribution ceremony. That shows your, discipline. How serious you are about the
Yes.
event, even the program. So
Yes.
nice of you. So nice of you. Please
Thank
pray to Baba that this, challenging times will pass.
Yes,
It
madam.
shall
Yes.
pass, very soon, because it is creating a lot of trouble for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Thank
Corona
you
time will.
for your kind words. Okay, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Professor Singer Velam RM. Yes, sir. Sir, kindly accept this. That is also in the car. Kindly accept this particular certificate, sir, please.
Good evening to all.
Very good evening.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the team for excellent organization, organizing this particular workshop. The one example is this validatory function. you are doing this kind of webinar or workshops. So congratulate once again. And the speakers also very good speakers. We learned a lot. As Madam Professor Sangeeta told, you keep on organizing this kind of workshop or webinar. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Singravelam. Very good. I really appreciate the spirit that you people are in journey, but still attending the session. Really, really appreciable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This kind of things. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I request you to kindly off your camera. Yes, sir. Next we have Mr. Rajnikant Chandrapa. Do we have Mr. Rajnikant sir with us?
No, he's not with us.
Yes,
Okay, he's there.
He's
Sir,
there, but not
kindly
opening her camera. His
sir,
camera.
kindly I request you to open up the camera, if possible.
No problem. So we have given away.
Mr. Rakesh.
Not available, sir.
Ramesh Prasad. I request Mr. Ramesh Prasad to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate, please. If available, kindly immediately open it. Okay. Ms. Rani Thakur. Rani Thakur. Yes, ma'am.
Rani is there. Yeah, madam is there. Rani madam, kindly accept your certificate.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the certificate in the special occasion of Teachers' Day.
Thank you so very much. How is your experience about this whole 6-day
Very
program?
good, fantastic. And as I'm a researcher, it will help me very much in near future.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Rasha Kumari Panda.
Not available, sir.
Ritu Trivedi. Trivedi.
Not available, sir.
Renu. Ms.
Not
Renu,
available, sir.
I request Rani ma'am to kindly off the camera. Kindly off your camera, ma'am.
Just a minute. Will you send this certificate to us in email?
Yes, ma'am. It will be available. It will be available on the Google, your Google Classroom, ma'am. You can download it from there itself.
Actually, I'm not taking screenshot. That's why.
Ma'am, you can discuss with the team. We are in the process of giving away the certificate. Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Renu? Okay. Rozia Bashir. Rozia Basir. Ma'am, are you available with us? Okay.
No, she's not there, I think. Mr.
She's there, but not opening her camera.
Ma'am, if open it if possible. Okay. S. Sartaj Basha. Sheikh Sartaj. Yes, sir. Kindly accept the certificate, please.
So I'm accepting. Good evening to all. Especially thank Deepa Madam for this. I'm from behalf of my college. It is CSI MBA from Andhra Pradesh. I thank the whole team, GL Bajaj team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sheikh.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I request sir to kindly off the camera, please. Okay. Ms. Saleha Ilham, if available, kindly. Saleha Ilham, if kindly available, open up your camera for this to accept the certificate.
She's not available, sir.
Salma Sultana.
Madam Salma was there. I saw her.
Madam Salma, if you're available, kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate. Okay.
She's available, but not opening her camera.
Mr. Samir Ahmad. Samir Ahmad, sir, if you're available, kindly open up the camera. Okay.
Not available, sir.
Sanjana Yadav.
Sanjana is
Salma Sultana, ma'am, is there.
Salma is there. Yeah, I saw her.
Ma'am, kindly accept the certificate. And ma'am, kindly unmute yourself to you so that if you are speaking, we can hear you.
Unmute कीजिए Salma madam. Kindly unmute yourself so
I
that
think
we
there is
can
a
hear
network
you.
issue.
Yeah, there is some technical issue.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Salma, ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We have clicked your picture.
Okay, Sanjana Yadav.
Not available, sir.
Not. Santosh Vilas Hashur. Santosh sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Kindly accept the certificate, sir. Santosh, sir.
Once again, sir, congratulations behalf of me, GL Bajaj Educational Institutions, because you are organized a very well organized session, that is a basics of research methods and techniques, 1 week capacity building program. Really, sir, this capacity building program was helped me a lot for my research work. Basically, right from what is research to how to select the sampling, review of literature, and all the research material or research knowledge you are shared with us in a very systematic way. All the sessions are very punctual, and all the eminent persons are there. So once again, I will congratulate all the management, director, coordinator, and all the faculty members who are directly, indirectly helped for that particular session. Once again, thank you so much, and I request you henceforth also, please organize such a kind of sessions for us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Surely,
sir. Thank you.
Surely.
I request her to kindly off the video. Salma ma'am, kindly off your video, please. Next, we have Ms. Savita Sharma ma'am. If ma'am available, kindly open up your camera to accept the certificate.
She is not available, sir.
Okay. Shabista Qureshi. Shabista Qureshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Kindly
Mr.
accept the certificate.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Shahzada Irfan Bashir. Shahzade Irfan Bashir.
Not available, sir.
Yes.
I think he's there.
Is there?
He's
Sir,
with the name of.
Redmi.
Hmm.
Is Mr. Shahzada Irfan Bashir sir is available? If available, kindly open up the camera. Okay. Shaista. I request Shaista to kindly open up the camera to accept the certificate.
She is not available, sir.
Next we have Shaista Kakeshama. Kakesha.
She's not
Shaista.
available, sir.
Okay.
She's also not there.
Shakuntala Zain.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Sharda Jha. Do we have Miss Sharda Jha ma'am to kindly open up, if available, kindly open up the camera to accept it.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Shibani Shoni. Do we have Shibani Soni with us? If
No,
available.
sir. She is not available, sir.
Shruti R. Shruti R.
Not available, sir.
Okay. I request Jakir sir to not to open up the camera. We have next is Simi Vikram Viz.
Simi is there.
Yes,
I saw somewhere.
Sorry, it's a bit dark. Yeah. Just a second.
You just shift your camera position, Simi madam. Otherwise, your photograph will not come. Kindly announce the next name, Nishan. Meanwhile.
Yeah. I want to say thank you, because this has been like a refresher program. I'm planning to do my PhD. You can see my white hair, and so it was like a real refresher program. But you know, I want to ask something actually to Dr. Gupta. Is that you know, everything was so good, the lectures, assignments, but one thing that stood out for me was your energy and your smile all throughout all the days. So I think that was very motivating for everybody, because you were very encouraging, and I don't know how you managed, with so much happening, to still look so fresh and smiling all throughout.
Thank you so much for your appreciation. I humbly accept, and I will tell you the secret of this energy, madam. This energy, because today is the Teachers' Day, so I will, you know, give you a secret mantra. That, you know, being the real teacher is the one who always teaches from heart, not from books.
True.
So if you actually put your blood and sweat into any work, any of the event, any of the program, or in your class, then automatically that aura will come.
Yes. Yes.
So I really believe in patience and perseverance. So when I saw, you know, these participants are coming up with a lot of enthusiasm, and that gives me energy. My team is working so hard. I mean, from last 15 days, they worked very hard. They conceived that idea, and they actually executed so well. So
Yes.
that gives me, empowerment. So that
Lot of
credit
you.
goes to my students
Yes.
and my departmental team members.
Yes, they were very
Thank you, Sunil madam.
responsive. They were very responsive, and you should be proud of yourself and your team. Congratulations.
I am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next we have Shishira T.S. Do we have Shishira T.S.?
She's not.
No, she's not there.
Samrita Lenka? Samrita Lenka?
She's not.
Samarita Lenka.
Snehal Khadge?
Not available, sir.
Sona Soni? Ma'am is available. Ma'am, kindly
Sona
accept
is
the
there.
certificate.
Sona, unmute yourself. Sona, would you like to say something?
Very good afternoon to all. Yes, I have unmuted myself. Hello, am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am, you're audible. Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Hello. Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Nishant, actually some technical issues there
Hello?
because there is a...
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think there's a network issue at your end, so that's why your voice is cracking. Thank you so much, ma'am. Kindly accept it. Okay, Soumya Singh. Do we have Soumya Singh with us? If available, kindly open up the camera to
She's
accept
not
the
a-
certificate.
she's
Okay,
not
Sona
a-
ma'am, kindly off your camera. Yes. Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar.
Not available, sir.
Shruti M. Shruti M.
No, she's not there.
Shubhasmita okay.
Satua.
Saurabh Munjal. Saurabh Munjal sir, kindly off
Yes,
your
sir.
camera. Saurabh
Yes,
Munjal sir, kindly off your camera. Let
Your turn will come.
Shubhasmita.
Saurabh sir, wait.
Shubhasmita ma'am, kindly accept the certificate. Kindly open up your camera,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I accept this certificate.
मैडम अपना कैमरा थोड़ा स्ट्रेट कीजिए, आपकी फोटो पूरी नहीं आ रही. Yes, थोड़ा सा नीचे की. Yes, that's
Happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you to GL Bajaj institution team for your effort. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Sujit Babu Rao Chavan. Do we have Sujit Babu Rao? Yes, sir. Sujit sir, kindly accept the.
Sujit ji, unmute yourself.
It's okay. Thank you for. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you for the certificate. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sukriti Gupta. Do we have Ms. Sukriti Gupta with us?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly open up your camera to accept the certificate.
Actually, camera is not possible at the moment.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Kindly accept it, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Sumaira Zan. Do we have Sumaira Zan?
Yes, sir. She's available.
Ma'am, if possible, kindly open up the camera to accept it, ma'am. Sumaira Zan. Okay, thank you. Suman Mukherjee. Suman Mukherjee.
She's not available, sir.
Okay. Sumit Mishra. Do we have Sumit Mishra? If available, kindly open up. Yes, sir, is there. Kindly accept the certificate, sir.
Yes.
Sumit sir is in garden right now.
It's a little garden in my house. Thank you very much, Nishant ji. I must say you are having a tough day spelling out the difficult names and surnames today.
No challenge at all, sir, because on this particular Teachers Day, at least I'm learning something, and I think that's the real Teachers
Yeah,
Day.
yeah. Because it's a pan-India presence, and it's a name and surname of all kinds coming in front of you today. Thank you very much for this wonderful CBP capacity building program, and I would like to thank the entire CBP team. How wonderfully they have managed everything on time, and the assignments were superb. It was a well managed, well thought of, and a special thanks to Dean Dr. Deepa ma'am. And I was about to ask the same question which was asked a candidate, a teacher, sometime before, that what is the mantra of her energy and I'm also a huge fan of her smile. So thank you. Thank you.
I will appreciate your observation skills, sir. You have observed that our MC, Master of Ceremony, Mr. Nishant, is facing the problem in pronouncing the names, because that is the presence from Pan India. Even not only from Pan India, but international participants are also there. So
Yes.
that is a new learning for him. Thank you, Dr. Sumit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody.
Now we have Mr. Sunil. Is available. If I request Sumit sir to kindly off the camera. Thank you, sir. Mr. Sunil, if available, kindly open up the camera to accept it.
He's not available, sir.
Okay. Sunita L. Thakkar. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly accept the certificate, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly unmute yourself. You're not audible. Yes, ma'am. There is a challenge, ma'am. I think so. Kindly
Sunita
accept.
madam, कुछ technical problem है. She is
Okay,
facing some technical problem.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, madam.
Sunita A.G.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Sunita ma'am, kindly off the camera again, please, ma'am. Swarnima Tiwari.
Not available, sir. She's not available.
Sweetie Kukreja.
She's also not available, sir.
Saida Juwaira Fatima Zuwaria. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yes,
here.
sir. Kindly accept
Are you
it,
able
ma'am.
to?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
You're
you
audible
so
and
much.
visible, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much for this wonderful session. It was an amazing learning experience, and I want to congratulate the entire team of GL Bajaj. I think you've done a wonderful job. Thank you.
Saida, you must have seen your feedback has included into the video. So,
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
thank
we are
you
going
so
to share all such videos on the Google Classroom itself.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. T. Jyoti. T. Jyoti.
She's not available, sir.
Okay. Tanmay Sharma. Do we have Tanmay Sharma with us? Okay.
Yes, hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Tanmay sir, kindly open up the camera. Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. And it was a great pleasure to attend this type of webinar on basic of research method and techniques. And I'm overwhelming for this webinar, and congrats on your team. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanmay. Hansila MM.
Tanshila.
Tanshila MM.
No, she's not there. I
She's
think. Next.
available, but not opening her camera or mic.
All right, Bhavna. So now we have T. Shwang.
T. Shwang. Yes, sir. Sir is available. I request you to kindly open up your camera, please. T. Shwang.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I
Yes.
audible?
Hello, sir.
First of all, I would like to wish all the tutors Happy Teachers Day. And it was a wonderful program that I've ever attended, and I've learned so many new things. So I would like to thank all the organizers for the wonderful certificates. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shwang. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Pugien Dorji.
He's not available, sir.
Okay. Usman Hassan.
Now I request all the remaining participants who have not received their certificates to kindly please be ready. And the moment your name is being announced, immediately come.
Now we are left with only 10 to 15 only.
All right. So because all the participants are waiting for the group photograph.
Usman Hassan.
So within 5 minutes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kindly open up your camera and mic to accept it. Vamsi Krishna Manan sir, I request you to kindly off your camera, please.
Mr. Krishna Manan, yes.
Usman Hassan sir, kindly open up your camera to accept it. Okay, thank you, sir. Uttam Kumar Das sir.
He's not available, sir.
V. Shravani Chari.
Yeah, yes.
Shravani is there.
T.
Madam
Swan-
Chari, please open your camera.
Yes, sir. Shravani ma'am is there.
Is there.
Shravani. Ma'am, kindly
Yeah.
open up your camera.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you for the certificate, and I really congratulate the GL Bajaj team for conducting such a such a knowledgeable session and also such an informative session. Thank you, ma'am, and the team.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Vaishali Gupta. Vandana Singh. Do we have Vandana Singh with us?
Yes.
Yeah, she's there.
Yes.
Madam Vandana is there.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm happy to accept this virtual certificate and also thankful to GL Bajaj Institute for organizing such a wonderful program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Vanshika Sharma. Do we have Vanshika Sharma, ma'am, with us? Ma'am available? Kindly open up the camera to accept it. Okay, thank you. Varsha Shah. Do we have?
She's not available, sir.
Varun, Mr. Varun Jasuja.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Good evening to all. Good evening to all, and happy Teachers' Day. And
request you to kindly open up your camera, please.
See, the purpose is Varun ji actually camera इसलिए open करवा रहे हैं. The purpose is so that we can get a photograph of you along with your certificate.
Now I am visible, ma'am.
Yes, you're visible and audible.
Clearly.
Thank you. Good evening, all, and happy Teachers' Day too. First of all, happy Teachers' Day. And as I am in the last stage of my PhD, this event helps me a lot. And thanks to all GL Bajaj team, and especially thanks to Deepa ma'am and all team. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Vasudha.
She's not available, sir.
Vikas Gautam. Okay. Vinod Kumar Sarvagi.
Not available, sir.
Okay. Yatish Gangwar. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yatish is there. Professor.
Kindly put your camera a little bit lower so that your face is visible. Yes, sir. Now perfect. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
Now you are in the frame, Professor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. So first of all, I wish all the members a happy Teachers' Day. And it was a nice and good organizing team efforts has been shown from GL Bajaj, the Department of Management Studies. I wish again, thank you very much for giving me a certificate, and please organize one more or other sessions so that we can learn after some period.
Surely, sir. Surely, we will do so.
Learn on virtual basis, because this is a new situation we are facing, and we are also learning one by one. Because since I am an industry background, but I am coming towards this is a good opportunity to learn for a virtual platform. Thank you very much, and thank you again to every members.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Yatish.
Mr. Zahir Hussain. Mr. Zahir Hussain. Yes, sir. Kindly accept the certificate, sir.
Thank you for sir giving participation certificate, and I would love to attend this type of seminar in the future. Thank you, ma'am.
Surely, sir. Surely, sir. Because this is the new normal. We have to flow with the motion. So this is a new normal where things will be organized on a virtual platform in these challenging times.
It's an innovative idea, so that you are facilitating this type of certificate distribution ceremony.
Yeah, Professor Zahir, actually we wanted to give that personal touch to each and every participant. So by this way, at least the interested participants came in the meeting and they are interacting and they are sharing their experience.
Thank you, ma'am.
So much.
Thank you, sir. So we have Mr. Zakir ul Oman. Zakir ul Oman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I would like to appreciate all the team, sir, that how curiously you have organized this program. And I also appreciate the team because of you, we have learned so many things. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this certificate.
Thank you so much. And in the last, we have Jarjiz Alam. Jarjiz Alam.
So Jarjiz Alam is not there, I think.
Okay, ma'am. So that's the last one. So
This was the last one.
I'll
So now we are done. Now I request all the participants, if somebody is left, if anybody from the participant has not received his or her certificate, kindly do let us know. Otherwise, all the certificates will be shared on Google Classroom platform. All right. So meanwhile, before going towards the words from our team members, can I request all the participants to please switch on their cameras, their videos, so that Dr. Gautam and Dr. Tiwari will be able to take the group photographs immediately. Kindly check, Dr. Gautam. Everybody has opened their video. Madam Shruti, Dr. Narendra, kindly check. All the participants have opened their, yes, they have opened their videos. I can see. Very good, very good. So we are going to share all these pictures in the Google Classroom itself. Participants are really amazing. They are so wonderful. We had 2 sessions since 2 o'clock. They were on time. They entered in the room on time. They were so disciplined. You know, in the second meeting, only 2 incidences, very small incidences. Somebody by mistake or unintentionally, they must have used their annotation. They were trying their annotation skills actually, but otherwise, you know, nothing awkward happened, nothing mismanaged happened. So that credit goes to our participants, definitely. And now I'm thankful to all my faculty members, because it is not only my effort, but my team members, they have put in a lot of efforts for bringing such eminent personalities and the resource persons on panel. So there were faculty members like Dr. Vineet Sanger, Dr. Shivi Mittal, Dr. Sarvendu Tiwari, Ms. Bhavna Sharma, Mr. Nitin Tripathi, and if I'm not wrong, somebody is left. I think these were the faculty members who were involved in bringing such eminent resource person on panel. So I'm thankful to all my team members for arranging, for bringing such knowledgeable people on panel, which was actually the real soul of this whole capacity building program. Because without these resource persons, we would not be able to organize, we would not be able to end this capacity building program in such a beautiful way. Because learning should take place. Because only talking about your imaginations will not work. You're talking about research, but if you're not giving right content, that will not help the participants. But I'm so thankful to resource persons that they have given wonderful PPTs. And they have given those PPTs, they have shared those PPTs without a hitch. The moment we ask them that we want to share these knowledge, these PPTs with our participants, they immediately shared with us. And you will be surprised to know in many of the FDP programs, I myself has faced this problem, that the organizers always have a hitch to share the material. They do not want to share. They always emphasize the participants to kindly watch the video, watch the YouTube video if you really want to go through with the concepts. But I mean, learning is all about sharing. The more you share, the more you learn. So that is why we believe in this fact. And once again, I'm announcing that this time we are going to share few more books with our participants before ending the whole program. By tomorrow, you will be receiving, by today itself, you will be receiving your certificates, and by tomorrow, you will be receiving these books also. And you take the photographs so that everybody will come. The whole DMS family will become the part of this group photo session. All the participants who waited so long, I really appreciate your patience, dear participants. I cannot express my thanks in words, but I really appreciate your efforts. And in future also, I ensure you all that whatever activity we will organize, whatever event we will organize, we will keep on updating on your Telegram group. Because after this capacity building program, after receiving your certificate, after downloading your the videos of different sessions, you can leave the classroom from tomorrow or day after tomorrow onwards. Not a problem. But please be with us, stay tuned with us on our Telegram group. I request three of the coordinators to kindly close the WhatsApp groups in the today itself,
Yes, ma'am.
in today evening. And whenever we will organize the next event, we will update our participants once again. Thank you so much for being our family, everyone. With this note, once again, I would like to wish you all a great and a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.